Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to cancel your YouTube TV subscription directly from your iPhone. It's a really straightforward process, and we're going to walk you through it step by step. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. We really appreciate it. Okay, so you've decided to cancel YouTube TV, whether you're cutting costs, switching services, or just not using it as much as you thought you would. No problem. Here's how to do it on your iPhone. First, you'll need to open the YouTube TV app on your iPhone. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the YouTube TV subscription you want to cancel. Next, tap on your profile picture. You'll find it in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with various options. From that menu, select Settings. It usually has a gear icon next to it. In the Settings menu, you'll see a few different categories. Tap on Membership. This is where you can manage your YouTube TV subscription. Now, you should see your current subscription details. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the option to cancel. Tap on that. YouTube TV will now ask you to confirm your cancellation. They might even try to entice you to stay with a special offer, so be prepared for that. Read through the information carefully. If you're sure you want to cancel, tap on the Cancel Membership button. YouTube TV might ask you for a reason why you are canceling. You can choose one of the provided options or skip this step. It's just for their feedback. Finally, you'll see a confirmation message stating that your YouTube TV subscription has been canceled. You'll still have access to YouTube TV until the end of your current billing cycle. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your YouTube TV subscription on your iPhone. Just a reminder that you can always resubscribe if you change your mind later. Thanks for watching. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips from Rome Tech. See you in the next video.